Hey everyone, welcome back to Bee Quiz. Today, we're testing your taste buds with the challenge Guess the Snack and Junk Food by Emoji. With 60 tasty questions and only 10 seconds to guess each one, let's see if you're a true snack expert. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with all the fun challenges here at Bee Quiz. Let's get started. Start with an easy one. Can you guess? Bingo, it's Takis. Do you know about this junk food? It's gummy bears. What's your guess? The correct answer is Pringles. What's the name of this one? It's French fries. Do you know this snack? The answer is Doritos. Which snack do we have here? That's right, Skittles. Can you guess this snack? The answer is Cheetos. Do you know about this one? Bravo, it's popcorn. What's this snack called? Corn nuts. Can you give me the name of the snack? That's right, goldfish. This one's easy to guess. Kit Kat. Kit Kat or gummy bears? Which snack do you like more? Did you choose Kit Kat? Show it with a like. Prefer gummy bears? Share your choice in the comments below. Do you have any ideas? Ramen. Do you know this snack? Chex Mix. Can you give me your answer? That's jelly beans. Yummy! Tell me your answer. What's this? It's pizza rolls. Do you know about this junk food? Good job, it's chocolate chip cookies. Find the odd gummy bear. The correct answer is the gummy bear without the bow tie. What about this? Bingo, it's Milky Way. What's the name of this one? Correct, it's kettle chips. What's the name of this one? It's beef jerky. What's the name of this one? It's Cheerios. I bet you can't get this one. Hey, it's cheese balls. Would you rather cheese balls or chocolate chip cookies? Keep up the good work. What's this? This snack is chickpeas. Can you guess this snack? Yep, it's Lay's. What snack do we have here? You got it right, combos. Do you have any idea? That's right, animal crackers. Would you rather eat Lay's or Cheetos? Can you give me the name? You got it right, fruit roll-ups. Can you guess this snack? Excellent! That's Planters peanuts. Can you guess this food? Fruitcake. Can you guess this snack? Cheez-It. Do you know about this junk food? Trail mix. Frozen yogurt. Which snack could this be? The right answer is Butterfingers. Which would you rather have? What's your choice? Let's leave a comment to find friends with similar interests. Can you guess the snack by the emoji? It's Fritos! You're doing fantastic! Name this one! The answer is Hershey's. Do you know about this junk food? Sun chips. What's this snack called? Nuggets. What food do we have here? Cupcake. What's the name of this one? Bingo, it's apple pie. Find the odd piece of pie. The odd one is in the second row. Can you guess this snack? The correct answer is rice cake. Zebra cake. What's the name of this junk food? Exactly, it's brownies. Here's a hard one. You guessed it right, it's sour candy. Do you know about this junk food? It's puffcorn. Which snack do you find more interesting? Puffcorn or popcorn? Can you guess this snack? It's Nutter Butter. What's the name of this one? Onion rings. Be careful on this one. What do you think of this junk food? Pizza. You're on fire today. What's the name of this snack? It's Tostitos. Would you choose Tostitos or Doritos? Do you know this snack? It's a Starburst. It's a Swiss roll. Which snack could this be? This is Twinkies. What's this food called? Corn dog. Guess the last junk food. Breadstick. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to the Bee Quiz channel for more fun challenges like this. Goodbye and see you in the next video.